What's the meaning of Brahms and Liszt? Brahms and Liszt. Brahms and Liszt.
Brahms and Liszt. Brahms and Liszt. Brahms and Liszt is a Cockney rhyming slang term for being drunk. The phrase is a play on words, as Brahms and Liszt sounds similar to blotto or pissed, which are both slang terms for being extremely intoxicated. When someone says I'm Brahms and Liszt, they mean that they have had too much to drink and are heavily under the influence of alcohol. The result of being Brahms and Liszt can vary from person to person, but typically involves impaired judgment, loss of control, and increased risk of accidents or injury. It is important to drink responsibly and never drive while under the influence of alcohol.